Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The prestigious German automaker is making a big entry into the world of luxury recreational vehicles with the 2026 Audi Elegant Campervan. Although it is presently only in the realm of conjecture and well-informed speculation, this car is expected to bring Audi's well-known design philosophy, cutting-edge technology, and premium material selection to the adaptable campervan format. The 2026 Audi Elegant Campervan's exterior is anticipated to feature the brand's distinctive design approach. It would look to have subtle elegance and dynamic capabilities thanks to sleek, aerodynamic lines, a sophisticated front fascia with the distinctive single-frame grille and cutting-edge matrix LED lighting systems, and gently flared wheel arches. Incorporating panoramic glass features, possibly extending along the rooftop, would improve the internal atmosphere and give residents sweeping vistas of their surroundings. Practical features like flush-mounted service hatches, discreetly placed solar panels, and perfectly integrated awning systems would probably go well with the car's elegant design. The 2026 Audi Elegant Campervan's interior is where Audi's dedication to luxury and technological integration is most noticeable. An atmosphere of elegant comfort would be created by using high-end, environmentally friendly materials like expertly stitched leather, wood veneers from sustainable sources, and Alcantara accents, possibly including modular furniture systems that enable changeable configuration of the living area, eating area, and sleeping quarters. The layout would be thoughtfully planned to optimize both space and functionality. An essential component of the Audi Elegant Campervan experience would be technological innovation. With a big, high-resolution MMI touch response display and Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus, a fully digital cockpit would offer easy control over infotainment, navigation, and vehicle operations. High levels of safety and convenience when traveling would be guaranteed by sophisticated driver assistance technologies, which are synonymous with the Audi brand. Additionally, seamless connectivity would meet the needs of contemporary mobile living, including smartphone integration and integrated Wi-Fi hotspots. It is projected that the 2026 Audi Elegant Campervan's powertrain will be electrified, in keeping with Audi's larger commitment to environmentally friendly transportation. A totally electric drivetrain with a battery capacity tailored for long trips would provide quiet, emission-free travel. Rapid charging capabilities and intelligent energy management systems would further increase the viability of electric propulsion in a campervan setting. To sum up, the 2026 Audi Elegant Campervan aims to establish a new standard for opulent leisure travel. By skillfully combining Audi's recognizable style, high-end components, cutting-edge technology, and dedication to electrification, this anticipated vehicle has the power to completely alter the expectations of discriminating people looking for an advanced and environmentally friendly way to travel the world. Its debut would represent an alluring combination of the spirit of adventure and automotive perfection.